Right here we have an iPhone XS with a broken back glass. As you can see, this thing has definitely seen better days, but it's our job to make it look like this never happened. So let's get started. And now it's crunch time. Now that we've got all the glass off of there, it's time to stick it in the laser machine for round 2. Then we'll give it a good old brush right before we glue it down. And replace the back glass. And there we go. It's as good as new, as if nothing ever happened. Absolutely beautiful. And that's the Telly Touch, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching.